Are you drowning in the endless tasks of content creation? Imagine a world where AI takes over the heavy lifting, writing, editing, designing, and even scheduling your posts. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to automate your entire content workflow. Stick around because this could save you hours every single week. Let's face it, content creation is time-consuming. From brainstorming ideas to finalizing designs, the process can feel endless. But what if AI could handle the repetitive tasks for you? Not only does it save time, but it also improves accuracy and consistency. Here's how to get started. First up is idea generation. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can help you brainstorm blog topics, video ideas, or even social media campaigns. All you need to do is type in a keyword or niche, and the AI gives you a list of creative options. Say goodbye to writer's block. Pro tip: use prompts like trending topics in industry or social media post ideas for niche to get tailored suggestions. Once you have your ideas, it's time to create. AI writing tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic can generate blogs, captions, and even product descriptions in seconds. Plus, AI design tools like Canva's Magic Design can whip up visuals that match your text perfectly. Pro tip: edit AI-generated content to match your brand voice for the best results. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. AI can schedule your content for weeks or even months on platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite. You simply upload your content, and the AI recommends the best times to post based on your audience's activity. It's like having your very own marketing assistant. AI doesn't just stop at creation and scheduling. It helps you analyze and optimize your performance. Tools like Google Analytics and SocialBee provide insights into what's working and what isn't. With AI-driven suggestions, you can tweak your strategy and maximize engagement. Pro tip: use AI tools to identify your top-performing content and replicate its success. As you can see, AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a content creation powerhouse. By automating your workflow, you can free up time for creativity and strategy. So, are you ready to embrace the future of content creation? That's it for today's guide. Which AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on working smarter, not harder. Until next time, keep creating smarter, not harder.